Louder. Then say me. Ready. The next time.
I go forward also.
Close your this first. Wait, 1, 2. Lock your thumb. Extend left arm. Inhale.
Grab.
Exhale.
Side thrust.
Don't forget your triangle. Inhale.
To the side thrust. Straps.
Exhale. Look straight. Don't look anywhere else. Do not smile in the camera. You're not smiling. You're training. Inhale. Exhale. Okay. Inhale. Exhale. Okay, let's try it. 50%. Go straight. Don't move back in. Listen. Inhale. Exhale.
Side thrust to the back.
Inhale. Look straight. Exhale. Inhale. Don't look down. Look straight. Exhale. Get to look confident. Feel confident. Chest out. Inhale. Exhale. Okay, can we do 100% now? Can we do 100% now?
Move
Okay,
forward.
isa na sa asa doon. Can we do 100% now? Okay, ready? Look straight. Inhale. Reach. Inhale. In. Inhale. Up. Inhale. Chin. Faster now. Go. Go. Chin. Up. Good. Yeah. Okay, hands down. Okay, next. We go now to rising block. In Japanese, what do we call rising block? Age. Age. Okay. Okay, ready? We start with Hidari. Hidari means left.
You're going to take
Migi means okay, extend your Hidari. Migi should be here. Okay? Ready? Slowly. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. Okay, dalawa na po kapiyan tayo. Ready? Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. Remember, don't block like this. Baka yung blocking. Yes. Somebody's punching you to the face. Protect this area by upward. Okay? That's why it's called rising up. Okay, ready? Yeah. Okay, ready? Bring that to people. Kabila. Yes. Where's your hand? There. Kabila.
first one.
Yeah, ready? 50% now. Inhale. Exhale. Okay, I will check the fist. Gas. Gas. Inhale. Exhale. Okay. Pagka hindi matigas, tatama sa ulo. Hindi na. Ready? Inhale. Exhale. Gas. Ready? Inhale. Exhale. Extra. Ready? Inhale. Exhale.
Know nothing. Don't laugh.
Good. Inhale. Exhale. Okay. Maybe. Kaya mas malas sa inyo. Kasi na. Tama sa ulo niya. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. Okay, ready? Fast. 100% now. Takasan ninyo ha. Siyempre pag sila sa tamaan, mahina lang, di ba? Kasi bata pa sila eh. Hindi kayo bata. Alam, takasan nila ha. Ready? Inhale. 1. Inhale. In. Inhale. Sun. Push this side. Diba? Mortal sins ang marami yan. Open yung fist. Inhale. Go. Inhale. Go. Inhale. Chin. Inhale. Punch. Inhale. Look. Inhale. Yeah. Last two. Inhale. Yeah. Inhale. Yeah. Okay. show me you're tired. The more you're tired, the more I'm gonna train you guys. Okay. So again, what is left? What is left? Hidari. Yes, good. What is right? Nidi. What is left? Right? Left? Right? Left? Right? Right? Left? Okay. That's it, huh? Okay. What is rising block? What is rising block? Again. Okay. Before the lesson, what do you say? Onegaishimasu. What does onegaishimasu mean? Please. After the lesson, what do you say? Arigatou gozaimasu. What does it mean? Thank you. Okay? So, don't forget what you have learned today. For today, yan lang muna tuturo ko sa inyo. Next meeting, we will add. Every meeting, we will add a lesson. So make sure the lessons that you learned today, you won't forget that. Because when you take the test, everything that you learned from day 1 up to the last day, you will take it. You will take it in the test. Okay? So don't forget. Understood? Understood? Okay. If you guys have Facebook already, check out the AAK Ateneo Facebook. Para if you have questions, you can ask the questions there. Okay? Understood? Jose! Arigatou gozaimasu. Sensei ni. Ray! Ang hino ano mo? Parang naman kayo nilaan ko. One more time. Sensei ni. Hey! Okay, 2 minutes break. Go.